Hi Bean Beauties, Dee Bean here. How you doing today? Thank you so much for joining me. Hopefully there will be a quick little video. If you watched my collab with Vera Bradley, I had this little beauty in that box as well too, but she deserves her own video. And I don't know what got into me. Okay, Cloverleaf Bag showed this on her channel, and I bought it as part of that Vera Bradley bundle that I bought way back in April. I'm just now opening it. I have stuff from, yeah, like way back still that I have to unbox. I have to unearth first, then unbox it. But she showed this and it was so beautiful, but I don't like, well here, look, let's see it first. I am not a patent leather girl because one, I don't know how to take care of them. Two, because it's in Texas and it's so humid. Let me see if I can stuff it. Let me put this in here. That kind of helps a little bit. She looks so nice and pretty. And now that I'm in my studio, I thought, well, maybe it won't get so humid because it's a little bit more regulated as far as it doesn't get so hot and clammy in this room because it's close to the AC. It's one of the coolest rooms in the house, so I thought I'd give it a try, and hopefully I don't mess it up because this bag deserves to be treated with love. It looks like it's oxblood color, I think. I'm sure Robin told me, I'm sure Cloverleaf Bags told me, but I don't remember. I'll put the information down here on how much it costs because I really don't even remember how much I paid for it. Can't be too much because my budget lately since February has been very low. But here is the front. I believe this is this is the front. Here's the side. Here's the back. Here's the other side. Here's the bottom. What it looks like from the top. It's in really good condition, not sticky at all. What I like about it is I am just a sucker for this pleating. I just think that when handbag companies put details like this, that's hard. That is hard for a seamstress to do, you know, to put pleatings into things. It has this darker vachetta all around it, and it is a this is set up for a shoulder bag, and look, the drop is perfect. I think you can see me. Yeah, there you go. You can see me. See, the drop is perfect for me. And here is the little tag here. Let's see if my phone. I have an iPhone 14 Pro Max, so it'll fit this away. You know, like that, and I'm okay with it like that. And it will not, I don't think it'll fit sideways. No, it's too, it won't fit on the sideways. Let's see if it'll fit inside the body of the bag. Okay, I know I just stuffed it. Now I'm unstuffing it. Now I'm unstuffing it. So it does have a key keeper. It has the older style key keeper. It has the leather machete here that it has a little dog clip on there. It has the Dooney set up in here. It is a small opening. Here is the leather right there that says Dooney and Bourke. In here, let me see. Here is the all important tag, the Dooney tag. And there is a zipper pocket here in the back. Is it? And yes, it's a working condition. There we go. And in the front as well, there is, let me put this back in there. There is a slit pocket here. I don't think my cell phone will fit. No, it won't fit long ways. And it'll stick up there. But the phone will fit in the body of the bag, so that's good. But you know, I can definitely keep it there, and that won't bother me at all. You know, and it's got the snap here, and a lot of times too, I wonder if I can do it with this particular one. Sometimes what I like to do is I'll put it, I think it might be too, yeah, it's not, but sometimes if the bag is wide enough, the pocket's wide enough, I'll put it I'll put it there and I'll make a pocket by snapping it, and then I'll have, you know, it's a tighter fit and the phone doesn't fall out, you know, doesn't feel like it's gonna fall out. But this, I thought that this is something that would be good to do just like kind of a quick, where I wouldn't need a lot of things, because I would have definitely, I won't be able to get a full wallet in here. I could get like a coin purse wallet or a half wallet in here is what I would be able to fit in here. Let's see. And oh, here, we'll put this in there so that I keep the dust bag together. That's not the dust bag. That's a dust bag. Robin sent it in a dust bag, but it's not the one that came with it. But this also too, if I have, I think you could add, because this is one of those ones that, yeah, comes off, and you can add that center strap in it to make it a crossbody. So this probably just didn't come with it. But if I have one that matches, I definitely could make it a crossbody. But I like the shoulder length on that. And since I'm in my healthier mode right now, it's small. It'll keep it I'll keep it light. So wish me luck, Bean Beauties, on a patent leather. This is like the second one I have, I think. Patent leather, I think it's the second one that I have. And I don't, you know, I'm need to learn how to kind of take care of them. I don't know like what's the best temperature to have in my studio for the bags and stuff. But right now, I mean, it's been in a box since April, and it's like not sticky. It's very soft, and it's, look at that. It's the shininess is what caught me. You know, shiny squirrel. I hope y'all like it, Bean Beauties. Hope y'all like it. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to me, I would greatly appreciate it. Not sure, don't know when this is going up, but I'm really super close to my my goal, so I would greatly appreciate it if you would help me reach my goal of 10 subscribers. Alrighty, thanks. Alrighty, thank you so much for coming by. Thank you so much for visiting me. I hope y'all enjoy this bag. I have no idea what it's called, other than it's patent leather. It's Dooney and Bourke. And that's it. That's it. I think it's oxblood. I think. You know me. If you come here for the for education of stuff, you ain't gonna get much. You're not gonna get nothing. You gotta come for a little bit of the entertainment. Alrighty, Bean Beauties. Love y'all so much. Don't forget that. Bye bye.